Let's make some ribs in the oven.
You don't need a smoker or any specialty equipment to get fall off the bone, tender, juicy ribs. All you need is your oven and a good rub. So let's start with the rub. Add brown sugar, salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, mustard powder, along with regular paprika, smoked paprika, roasted cumin or jeera, curry powder, chili powder, and some allspice. Now, all of the ingredients used along with the exact quantities are listed on the website. Combine everything well, and that's all there is to it. So now it's time to work on our ribs. And I like using olive oil as a binder, so it really does help the spice mixture stick to the ribs. So on both sides, you want to drizzle on your olive oil and sort of gently massage that in, and then generously sprinkle on your spice rub. So I like to spread the rub around as well as use my hands and sort of press and pat it in. And that is going to help it stick to the ribs as well as sort of create that extra crust or that bark when it goes into the oven. So onto some foil, and you can put this in the refrigerator overnight, or you can cook them straight away. So to a 275-degree oven, you want to bake uncovered for about 2.5 hours, and this is what they would look like. At this point, you can add your sauce or leave them bare. Bake them for an additional 15 to 20 minutes at high heat, and this is the result. Juicy, tender, fall off the bone, delicious ribs made in your oven. So delicious, so good.